start. My name is Kaya.
Hi, my name is Joy.
Hi, my name is Dominique.
And my name is Stella Okiki.
Hi, I'm Pamia Opuku.
Hi, my name is Candace Rose.
And I made Black History Abroad by eating authentic Belgian waffles and debating EU politics with my professor in Brussels.
And I made Black History Abroad by finding hidden ruins in Ireland.
And I made Black History Abroad by sharing new American perspectives as a student ambassador in Japan.
I made Black History Abroad by traveling to my home country of Ghana and taking classes at the University in Ghana to better expose myself to our rich culture.
And I made Black History Abroad in Brazil by fishing for piranhas in the Amazon rainforest and exploring Afro-Brazilian culture and identity in Rio de Janeiro.
I made Black History Abroad by exploring the hidden faces of West Africa in Paris and experiencing Paris authentically.
I made Black History Abroad by climbing Sugarloaf Mountain in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil.
I made Black History by traveling solo around the world with nothing but a backpack and an open mind and heart.